Today in grammar, we're going to review subjects and verbs. Specifically, we're going to review when we need to add s to a verb. We need to add s to most verbs when they tell about a noun that names one. If a verb tells about a noun that names more than one, we do not add the s to the verb. So here is a chart to show us how to make the subject and the verb agree. For subject names that names more than one, we have 2 pigs drink water. Here's our subject, pigs, and this is what they do. They drink. I'm going to go ahead and underline that. 2 pigs drink. It's more than one pig, so we leave the s on the noun. When a subject is only one, here we have 1 pig drinks. Then our s is on the verb. We needed to add the s because it's only talking about 1 pig. 1 pig drank water doesn't make sense, so we add the s to the verb when it's talking about one subject. Let's look at another example. The boys pick apples. Here again, we have more than one boy, it says boys, and they pick. That's the action, that's the verb. This is what they do. The boys pick apples. So we can leave the s off of the verb in this sentence. But when we change it to the boy picks apples, we need to add the s to the end of the verb. I hope that makes sense. I'm not really sure how else to break it apart for you, but here's the important thing. You need to add s to the verb, the thing that tells what it's doing, when the noun names one. So right here, this is talking about 1 pig. We need to add the s to the verb. This is talking about 1 boy. We need to add the s to the verb. When we're talking about more than one, the s is on the subject or the noun, not the verb. So here's some additional practice. Look at these 2 sentences. The chicken lay or lays an egg. Which one is it? We need to make sure that our subject and our verb agree. Are we talking about 1 chicken or more than 1 chicken? Right, we're talking about only 1 chicken. It says the chicken. So then, do we need to add the s to the verb? Correct, you do. We're going to circle the word lays. Lays an egg. The chicken lays an egg. Good job. You can also tell when you read the sentence and you don't have the subject and verb agree, it doesn't really sound right. It kind of sounds funny. Try it. The chicken lay an egg. You see how that sounds silly? You can hear that that's not in agreement and that you need to check the other one. Here's another example. Cows give or gives milk. Well, how many are we talking about? Are we talking about 1 cow or more than 1 cow? More than 1 cow. We have the s at the end, meaning that we have more than 1 cow. So then, does our verb need to have an s or does it need to have no s? Right. When we have more than one subject, we do not need the s. Cows give milk. Good job. Again, cows gives milk. You can hear that that does not sound right. The subject and the verb do not agree. Good job.